Just working with some garage updates. We've got a garage fridge in this box here. It's going to go on the right side of this shelf, and the shelf will move over basically when the Highlander is in this spot, takes up the full width or the full length of the garage. So we don't want to put the fridge here because then you'd never be able to walk to it. So everything's going to scoot over, and then it'll go right there next to the door for easy access. So yeah, time to start getting stuff off the shelf and rearranging things out here in the garage. Well, now the rest of the garage looks super messy. I've got everything kind of spread out, but I do now have an empty shelf, and it should be, light enough just to scoot over a bit. And just like that, the shelf is over and filled back up. The fridge is in place and mostly level. Started putting some stickers that I turned into magnets on it, but yeah, I got a lot of room to get more stuff on there, and obviously there's nothing in it yet, but a lot of room for garage goodies and just a little bit more cleanup to go. And this was actually a good chance for me to go through what I had on the shelf, some of those car parts. I tossed to the other side of the BMW, out of sight, out of mind for now. I'll deal with that later. But yeah, slowly continuing to upgrade the garage. Well, it's at the point where I want to turn the car again. I think I did a lot of what I needed to on the passenger side. So I'm going to go back and work on the rear trunk area. And I think at this point, I'm also probably going to drop the subframe, maybe get the new gas tank in, fix the subframe, get that back in, get the differential back in. And I find it easier to park the car this way. So just got the wheels back on, and I'm going to clean up the other side and kind of wiggle the car around and push it out, push it in, get it turned. And that'll also let me, I think I'll finally go ahead and get the rest of the lights in at this point. So a little bit of garage renovation, a little bit of just prepping for the next bits and pieces on the E30. Just like that, easy enough. The car's been turned. Still need better organization. This side's a little light on packed in things because I know I still need to get in this wheel well. Gonna chuck the TV up on that mount, add 2 more lights kinda right there. And yeah, the garage gets messy, but it's also gonna get a little bit better as I make some changes coming up. As I continue doing a few things to make the garage a better space, I'm gonna move the TV, should be somewhere back over there, to this mount on the wall here. The mount was there when we moved into this house, so I just went and bought some new bolts that should work. I haven't really tested anything. I do like the TV on the workbench, but one, I want the workbench to be a little bit more mobile, and I just want a little bit more space there. So I'm going to chuck it up on this mount, hopefully, and free up some space. Not that this is the most exciting work, but I found four spots on the back that line up with this, with this Swiss cheese mount. Got some washers and screws in place, and I'll run this in, and then it's a pretty cool design. It looks like I'll just be able to drop this hook onto the mount, and that should be enough to stabilize it. Maybe I'll get a level and check this, but might just chuck it on. Okay, gotta take the feet off, and it looks like there's a bolt I can run up to stabilize it. Yeah, not bad. Easy enough, I got that up there. I'll probably want to go through and tuck the power cable just so it looks a little bit more tidy. And while I was putting up that, I did think that another benefit is that it opens up a lot of wall space. Someday I'll get some decorations on that wall. maybe on that wall, just make the garage look a little bit better. It seems like from this angle, yeah, we're down a little bit on that side, so I guess I'm breaking out the level to fix that and just make it a little bit nicer, but from some angles it looks okay. So I'll test it out and see how I like it. But yeah, on to the next task of getting some lights up here. Last thing I wanted to do was get 2 more strips of lights up here. Gonna try to measure them and get them in. Basically, I'll chain it in with the light that's already up there. Have 3 basically where above the car I'll be working on is, and yeah, hopefully that gets a lot more light. Right now it's just the 3 light bulbs in the garage. It's okay, but I think having these 3 overhead right here is gonna make this place super bright, super nice to work at. So yeah, let's time to drill some holes and see how well my measurements line up. Probably could have just punched a hole with that thing, but just hoping to get it a little bit more where I want it. Go through, get the rest of the hole drilled out. That one might be in a plank of wood. We'll see. All right, moment of truth. Moment of truth here. I'm a little nervous. Yeah, I want it to go on this way. Yeah, okay. I think it'll work, and I think my screws are just backed out enough to catch. If anything, could go a little bit further out on the front. All right, well, I have all 3 of my lights added in. I haven't pulled any of the strings yet, so none of them are on. I'm going to turn the light off, pull the strings, and then turn the light back on, so then everything should illuminate at once. Not going to change any settings on the camera, so hopefully it's a super noticeable difference when the light comes back on and overwhelms the camera. Let's see. It's like a fun little experiment. Lights off. Pull 1. Got to go find the other ones. Pull 2. Too short to reach. Move my ladder. Pull 3. Back to the light switch and bright. Yep, that's what I wanted. That's a lot of light. Perfect. Can't forget to mention, I also have my little license plate wall here. Only have 4 license plates. It was the truck from Maryland, the E30 from Maryland, my wife's Highlander, and then just a commemorative BMW plate. But yeah, a lot of wall to go to fill in. Yeah, so that's it. That's, I don't know, 6 months worth of little projects around the garage. It's getting better. I think next up for kind of garage upgrades, a shelf behind me to clear up basically any part that I take off of the car that I'm working on. Maybe not right now, but eventually I'd like to put up a wheel, I guess, shelf, the hanging wheel shelf. We got a few bikes that need some organization. Been getting more yard stuff that needs some organization. Yeah, so organization is the next big thing that I can think of. But for now, we're going to hold where we are. I think the garage is getting into a good spot. Yeah, I like the extra lights. Fridge is great. TV's great. Decorations and storage coming up.